Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I am gonna unbox my new Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus 256GB black phone. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, this came around 1180 Canadian dollars to me. Of course, taxes are extra, and also I have paid more than $200 for 2 years warranty, and warranty covers everything except lost and stolen. So even if this phone breaks and get damaged, I have every right to go to a service center and get it repaired, and if they cannot repair it, they are gonna issue me a replacement. All right, so I have not yet opened it, so I'm gonna open it. This is sealed at two places, as you can see, so I gotta open it over there. My nails are not sharp, so please bear with me. I'm gonna open it. I have broken the seal. Wow. So you see front and back. It's beautifully looking at front and also at the back. And see what are the things they have given. So there's a small box here which has got its charger, and it's type C charger. Remember, it's type C. Okay. So they have not given me any plug. So that means they have just given me a data cable. Okay, fine. And there's nothing else inside. So in this pack I just got and some instructions, and as per this I'm gonna get a nano SIM card, and that I'm gonna put over here. They have there's a slot. So see the rear cameras, and this is the front camera, and this is the charging cable that they have sent. Okay. So this is gonna be my charger.